Hi guys, this is my mate Callum's Cruiser. It's the third truck I've built from. He likes the Jim Beam and he makes terrible financial decisions when he's on the Jim Beam, so I was like, we should coil and stretch this. We're actually doing a whole host of mods to this. We're doing a GTurbo titanium plus 100 injectors, intercooler fan kit, intake, interior, soundproofing, MRA suspension, you know, everything. Just developed a 4 and 5 inch stainless snorkel, so this will get all polished out and powder coated black, and I'll show you a bit of the stuff with the rear end anyway. The interior is just getting stripped out today and we're going to do all the soundproofing and various installs. 2020 we did a coil and stretch on a 79 series. We actually contacted a company we dealt with a lot in Australia and said, hey, we want to buy a coil and stretch, and they're like, sorry, we don't supply them to unauthorized things and all of this stuff. So we actually had to start from scratch and develop our own one, just because we'd already committed to the customer saying, hey, we will coil this vehicle. So what we did is we obviously scanned it all, drew it all up. It had to go through 3 rounds of concept type approval to get it compliant with our road legality standards, and we're taking the same approach on this as well. We've taken a section of the chassis out, sent it away to get hardness and metallurgy tested so we know exactly what the steel is, so we can manufacture a chassis and come up with a welding process, which means it'll work well together. The rear end's got a 12-inch travel II rear shock. It's got a coil tower that spans to the outside of the chassis, so keep an eye out on it, it will be wicked.